I'm coming up with Anthropology rapid revision program, which is going to help you enormously, those who are writing mains 2024 and those who are planning for 2025 as well. As you know, already we started Anthropology test series from this Monday. Sectional tests are there every Sunday. Daily answer writing practice with evaluation will be there with model answers for the weekly test with 1-to-1 session with me on weekly basis, compulsory. You no need to take any appointment. I am the senior faculty and I will be contacting with you. One-on-one sessions will be there for every weekly test. That is very important and useful, and I will be allocating time to you. Apart from the test series, I am coming up with rapid revision program. Rapid revision program. In this, you will be having 21 revision sessions, proper revision sessions, revision through PYQs and question and answers. PYQs and question and answers, application of thinkers to all the topics, how we need to apply. You know that how applications is all about the anthropology, how we need to apply anthropology. For example, anthropological thinkers. For example, Franz Boas, any question on language, any question on extinction of language, any question with respect to protection of language, how we have to use Franz Boas. So, with respect to the culture, the first person who is E.B. Taylor, how we have to link the E.B. Taylor to the culture point of view. So, in that way, I will be applying thinkers for every topic. For that, I personally will be doing more homework and will be providing you the relevant content. This is rapid revision program. Already we started 333 program. We are innovating and we are developing for your success, and we are coming up with 333 program in which there will be 333 questions and model answers will be provided, daily questions and daily evaluation with weekly test, sectional test with evaluation will be there. And the most important, rapid revision program free for our 333 anthropology test series students. For our anthropology test series students, the rapid revision program is free. Please note it. And fees also, I am telling you, we didn't increase any of our fees. For rapid revision program plus test series, it is 14,000 plus GST. It was earlier. Today, I made it free for rapid revision program for test series. And if you want only rapid revision program for anthropology, 7,000 plus GST should be provided. For our previous students who want test series as well as rapid revision program, it is 12,000 plus GST. GST, it will go to the government pocket. In this way, I am doing one orientation session on 30th June 10 a.m. so that you will be properly understanding about the rapid revision program, as well as the rapid revision program will start on 6th Saturday, July 2024. It will be online, offline, recorded videos will be provided with 6 months of validity. And most important, June session, 30th Sunday, June, we are starting with the rapid revision program of orientation. So, if you want to crack UPSC with anthropology optional, 100% I personally will be available to you for your success. All the best. Jai Hind.